Cusp Technologies, a tech startup based in Dubai, is advertising a magnetic shield to defend against drone attacks and promises to display it at the IDEX 2021 Defense Trade Show in Abu Dhabi in February. The new technology is advertised with an image of drones blowing up as they run into an invisible wall. It appears to be based on a new technique that projects magnetic fields. Is this the counter-drone solution that everyone is looking for? By now, nobody should be underestimating the scale of the problem. The Pentagon released a new counter-unmanned systems strategy last week, noting that readily available drones are creating hazards to DoD operations in the air, land, and maritime domains and may be operated by state, non-state and criminal actors. In recent years we have seen numbers of small, low-cost, low-tech drones strike a major oil facility in Abqaiq, as well as Russia's main airbase in Syria, Iraqi troops trying to retake Mosul and many others. The success of Azerbaijan's drone fleet against Armenia is further boosting export sales, and existing defenses have been of limited use. In a series of acquisition programs that at times looked like panic buying, the US has acquired what the report euphemistically calls many non-integrated, redundant solutions to the drone problem, a wild variety of mismatched counter-drone systems. If you want an anti-aircraft system, there are only a handful of suppliers, but when it comes to counter-drone the choice is bewildering. Over 575 systems were on the market according to a 2019 study by Bard College. The number has since grown considerably. It is not just military customers. After London's Gatwick Airport was closed by disruption due to drone flights over Christmas 2019, costing some tens of millions of dollars, the operators quickly spent some $7 million on a counter-drone system to prevent it happening again. Cusp Technologies enters this lively market with a device which they have been working on for 5 years. They claim to be working with a US company to extend its range to 100 kilometers. Many sites, from airports and sports stadia to nuclear power stations, are rushing to get counter-drone defenses in place, with the global market worth perhaps $6 billion a year by 2024. In this situation you can see why competitors want to copy new technology, and potential customers want to find out more before paying out. Hopefully, all will be revealed at IDEX next month when the magnetic shield goes on show.